What social media platform that you should use to promote your business? Now, if you're asking this question, chances are you don't know who your ideal customer is. You don't know where they hang out on social media. There are many, many platforms. You've got the big four of them, right? Facebook, YouTube, Google, and LinkedIn, the big four. If you're selling B2B, guess where you should go? LinkedIn. If you're selling an e-com product that showcases well with visual, then maybe you should use Instagram to promote your product or service, especially when it's low ticket, you're going after volume. Awesome. A lot of people on Instagram, a lot of people on Facebook, almost everybody should use Facebook, almost everybody. Of course, you have YouTube. If you are willing to put in the work, it's gonna take a lot of time. This is not make a few videos and money would fall on your lap. Chances are you will have to make hundreds of videos and you have to put in a few years of your time in terms of creating content. Yes, you can use paid traffic. You can run ads on Google, on YouTube, on Facebook. That's a whole different conversation. We're talking about content here, right? So which social media platform that you should focus on, that is dictated by where your audience is. But what I want to emphasize is this, that social media platform is not magic pill. You still need to know your metrics. You've got to have a funnel that converts. You've got to have an offer that works. You have to copy that sells. That doesn't change. Social media gets the eyeballs, gets the attention. That's good, but you still need to convert those. Because I don't want you to think, oh, if I have a lot of followers, my problem is solved. If you have some followers, you're not converting 1,000 people, 2,000 people, you're not going to convert at 10,000 people. You're not going to convert at 100,000 people. More of something that doesn't work doesn't multiply your results. Does that make sense? Comment below. Remember this, that fame without fortune is frustration. Don't do it for fame. Don't do it for popularity. Unless you're that insecure, you need people's validation and you want people to like you and say, oh, you're awesome and give you like little heart. I mean, if that's what you want, that's fine. We're talking about building business here. We're talking about leveraging attention to build a brand. We're talking about selling your product or service. We're talking about scaling your company. Unless you convert that attention into actual sales, into income, all of this is a waste of time in my book. To me, it is a waste of time. There has to be a purpose. There has to be a result that you're looking for. Don't do it for the sake of fame. Do it because you want to build something significant. Do it because you want to generate income for yourself and for your family. Do it because you want to get your time back. Do it if you want to promote your brand. But what makes all this work, I believe what makes social media work is one word: copy. Copy. Words that motivate people to take action. Doesn't matter if it's a video. Doesn't matter it's a title. Doesn't matter it's a description. Doesn't matter it's a landing page. Doesn't matter if it's an email. It is all copy. Copy is what converts attention into sales. What converts attention, followers into revenue. This is the bridge. This is that gap. If you are struggling with this, if you are getting attention but you're not getting income, you're not getting sales, chances are that's your missing key. Copywriting.
Hello, HIC. Did you hear that? It's a boom! Oh my god, yeah, damn, that's cool! Oh wow, I'm so freaking proud to post this video to you, and I'm really proud to have this skill set. Damn, thank you so much, Sifu, and all the Damn community, and that's insane. I position myself as an expert and everything that Sifu taught us, and to make them call me and to position myself as I know a lot, and I really do. So basically it's just one project for now, and if we are a good fit for each other, it's gonna be like basically a retainer client, and I don't really need any other clients because they have so much to do. So that's my first real client, and it's probably gonna be like the only one I need for now. That's that's insane.
Hi, my name is Liam, and I'm making this quick video to share a little bit about my experience from the High Income Copywriter program. I learned so much about like how to write emails, like how now if I write an email to like a business for potential partnership, then my emails improve tremendously. Like my response rate, I get a lot more responses. Without the copywriting, I would have no idea how ads work. My emails would be bad as well, and I wouldn't make my own funnel, which will improve my chances of getting a client like tremendously by making my own funnel. The copywriting program impacted my life, so yeah, I just highly recommend if you think about it, if you're not sure, like it's a life-changing thing, like 100%. So I'm extremely grateful, and I'll keep working on my skill and improving, and want to make sure that I get my clients soon.
Hello HIC family, this is Abdallah. I'm here in Hobart, Tasmania, Australia. I send out a message in a Facebook group that I want to write 3 emails for 3 businesses, and I got a lot of responses from there. And what happened is I wrote these 3 emails for this business owner. He's running a digital marketing agency, and the response really shocked me. He said the emails were really exceeded his expectation, and they were really good. The next thing he asked me, like, where can I leave you a testimonial? I was like, what? I did not even ask for it. And what this actually taught me is adding value to people, and what it would actually do is there would be like, when I add value, people would be like, they would appreciate that, especially if it's something really good, and they would want to show their appreciation in other ways. It could be money, or in this case, he gave me a recommendation on LinkedIn. He will be coming back to work together in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you got value from it and some ideas you can take. And yeah,